This is palm nut soup made from the palm fruit. You pound it and then you get your pounded palm fruit and then you squeeze the cream from it. It is known as Dedechi or Abenkwan in Ghana, also known as Banga in Nigeria. That is what is on our bill of fare today. It's a great honor to have you on the channel today. My name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. So after squeezing the cream from the palm fruit, okay, when you are done pounding it, this is what you are going to get. But sometimes you get it a bit loose than this, okay? But with this, I bought it from the shop. You can get this from the market, from any shop that is closer to you, or those who are outside the country will get it from the African shop. So now I have that, and this is the type I am using, okay, the Inkulinu palm cream. Add some hot water to it and then let it stay aside. So this is my produce you are seeing. I have my catfish, I have my mackerel fish. I brought you the recipe not long ago. Please check the channel or the page. And now I've added my tolo beef for flavor, that is cured lamb for flavor, okay. I've added my fresh tomatoes, fresh onions, and then pepper. What I'm adding is my blended onion, garlic, ginger, okay. I will add it to that, and then I am just going to add my salt and then homemade natural herbs and spice blend. Now I am just going to leave all these ingredients on fire and I will get back to you. Don't forget to cover it so that it will steam very well. Now let's check the palm cream. So this is the water I'll be adding, and I told you earlier that it should be hot, okay? Yes, so that it will melt the oil, and also will not let the oil stick to the bowl whilst you pour only the cream, okay? Yeah. Now after mixing everything, we will be setting it aside so that every particles will settle under it. So there is a particles because with the palm fruit it has this black thing on top of it, okay? So that will settle under it, and then we will be discarding that. Whilst that is sitting somewhere, we are just going to check on the ingredients we seasoned earlier. Now they are doing so good, and I am just going to go ahead and add our palm cream we mixed earlier, and then I will show you the particles I was talking about, okay? It looks very black in color, and just look at that. Yes, so I will discard it and then we will continue. So you can imagine if I had not mixed it differently but added it straight to the things in the cooking pot, we would have just enjoyed those particles, okay? Yes. Now I'll go ahead and add more water to it, and that is the blender I used to blend the pepper, ginger, garlic, onions we added to the ingredients earlier. Our soup is really doing good, and trust me, my kitchen smells so good. This was very flavorful. We are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, so please follow us for more videos. And if you want short videos, please follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and then our YouTube shorts. Our ingredients are well cooked, so we will take it out and then go and blend it. And they are the pepper, onion, and then the tomatoes. Blend it and then add it to the soup. So I'll be adding some water to it before I blend them. Now we are done blending. I'll add it to the soup, give it a stir, rinse the blender, and then add it to the soup, and then we are good to go. So with a Nigerian banga soup, they like it thicker than how Ghanaians prepare theirs. We don't want it thick, okay? That is why I keep on adding some liquid to it. So should you want it thicker, just like how the Nigerians prepare theirs, please go ahead and then stay far away from adding a lot of water. Now, after some few minutes again, I'll go ahead and add my homemade natural herbs and spice blend. I did this like 3 years ago. I've not been able to bring you the video because I lost my phone, okay, and lost every video that I made. I mean, a lot of videos. I don't like talking about it, so let's forget about it. I'll do another video and then bring you the recipe. So all those vegetables you saw, we will wash them and then add it to the soup. This is my spinach, okay? I'll add that to the soup as well. So those you saw earlier were carrots, eggplant, and then okra. Now I have my mushrooms here. I'll be adding that to the soup as well. I love mushrooms. Should you don't want to add it to your Abenkwan or the deti, you can just omit it. But trust me, it is so good in banga or palm nut soup. So that is the natural herbs and spice blend we made at home, and I've added that to the soup. I will give it a stir, and then when we are done, I will add the next ingredients. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you so much for sticking with me till this point. I am so grateful. Please leave me your comments in the comment section and then share this video to others. I will go ahead and then add my catfish. Okay, the one I added earlier was the head, so I'll add the catfish, all the vegetables you saw earlier, and then add all the proteins that I want to add. Okay, after adding everything, this is what you have. I added some pepper as well, and just look at the soup. It looks so good. I feel like drinking some right now. Oh my goodness, it looks so delicious. Yes, so we are just going to leave this on fire so that our vegetables will cook perfectly, and when they are done cooking, it means our soup is ready. At this moment, if you want to add any seasoning, you can go ahead and add it, but I am not going to add any again because we seasoned our proteins earlier, okay, and we have enough salt in there, so we are not going to add anything salt to this soup. After some few minutes, our soup is ready. I want to share something with you, okay? This is what we go through as content creators. See, it's 2:14 a.m. I am still creating content. Some people are snoring, others are chopping laugh, but I am here creating content. Please, when you watch video, watch it fully for us. Any video you watch it fully, like it and share, and then leave us your comment in the comment section. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.